Emerging Braille technology, a look into the past and the horizon of the future. Initially, Braille tools were entirely mechanical, such as a Perkins Braille writer pictured on the right, and similar to what you and I know as a typewriter. In 1971, Braille embossers were invented. These are similar to what you and I know as a printer, although its only output is Braille. It connects to a computer, utilizes conversion software to take text to Braille, although its limitations are that it can only produce text and not images. In addition, the production time is very lengthy when compared to other alternatives. The size of the unit is very large. It requires the use of a computer and software, as well as the cost of the unit and the paper are very expensive, upwards of $80,000. Refreshable Braille displays, as pictured in the middle, are electronic and mechanical in nature. They plug into a computer and it reads text output in Braille. This can impact the user in terms of accessing information in real time in that it exponentially increases the effort and time to find target information, since it only displays one line of text at a time. In the 1980s, electronic Braille note takers were developed, and these are pictured on the right-hand side. These are portable devices that the user can enter information into the device and the product can read text content aloud in a synthesized voice. It also has note-taking capabilities, an address book, a calculator, and a calendar. Still to this day, users use slate and stylus. These are comparable to what we would know as our pen and paper. As well as embossing is used to take text content and textbooks to Braille books and Braille pages. Currently in development is the full-page refreshable display Braille tablet. It's currently being created by the University of Michigan's Engineering Department. So first, what does refreshable mean? It means that the Braille content will change as the user maneuvers through computer screens, web pages, and even through a document. So a little bit about the device itself. I'm going to start this video so you can see what the prototype looks like firsthand. As you can see, the display surface is made of rubber. It utilizes a pneumatic system which pumps in air or liquid. Although their prototype currently uses air, the final product is expected to use liquid. The liquid will be directed using microfluidic channels. The pressure in these channels will push up on the rubber to display dots which form Braille letters and numbers. So no longer would a user be required to use highly expensive devices that cost between $5,000 and $10,000 and that only read one line of text. It is expected to cost under $1,000 per unit. This is going to increase portability, affordability, accessibility, and usability for blind users. Next, we have the Dot Braille smartwatch. This is also in production and pre-order. Its functions are that users will have access to real-time text data as well as a Braille readout of the time. Its components include a watch, alarm, notification, as well as this wearable technology also includes a gyroscope, Bluetooth capability, touch sensors, and it's supported by iOS and Android systems. And the best part is that its estimated cost is $300 and under. Lastly, we have the BliTab tactile tablet. As you can see in the image to the right, this is a full-page refreshable display tablet with input from a Braille keyboard at the bottom. As you can see at the top of the tablet, it does take an SD or USB card so you can input your documents from your computer. Would you like more information about these devices? Please follow the links below.